Hello there. Let's fix that BattlEye net error installation. Now this is gonna be Rainbow Six Siege, right? Let me just open my launcher, which is gonna be Steam. You can also do this one if you're using Epic Games. The process is perfectly the same here. So let me just open Steam now. So this is gonna be Steam, right? And this is the game. As you can see, I do not have it. So we're gonna use a sample game just for references. So go to your library right here. We're gonna utilize NBA here just for discussion purposes. In here, click on the gear icon, click on Properties. Go in here for Installed Files. Click the Browse option to open up the game files. Right here, you should locate for the one that says BattlEye. Let's just say this is BattlEye. I'm going to open right here, and there should be Uninstall BattlEye server on the lower section. Uninstall BattlEye entirely. After that one, if you're successfully uninstalled BattlEye, you can just run it again. Now, if you can't find it on the folder, you can just basically look it for your BattlEye Windows key. I'm going to type in here BattlEye, and then right click, click on install, and make sure that's gone in there. So what's next? So once successfully installing BattlEye Launcher, click on the gear icon. Again, click on Properties, click on Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. We're just asking the game to fix itself internally after removing the bug, which is the BattlEye Net Launcher. It will reinstall it directly with no problem at all, and that should fix it.